Hello and welcome to Onlyboards. Today we are checking out these Akko Creamy Purple Pro tactile switches. Let's see how they feel, sound, and most importantly, if they fit your needs. Alright then, let's go straight to it. Here's a quick look on the spec sheet of the Akko Creamy Purple Pros. The switches feature a polycarbonate top housing, a nylon bottom housing, and a custom nylon bro stem that measures around 14.1mm. The spring is 21mm long. Sorry for the potential inaccuracies, I'm still new to the caliper, with a 30g actuation force and a 50g bottom out force. The total travel distance is 3mm. So to see how they feel and sound, I decided to mount the switches on a cheap keyboard. This specifically is the Royal Touch RK98. I've only retuned the stabilizers and gave it a tape mod to make it slightly better and not to change up the sound profile all too much. Let's see how it sounds now. First up, let's talk about what I like about the switches. The Akko Creamy Purple Pro switches have a sharp tactile bump that you feel instantly. It's really satisfying for those who love the tactile feedback. Right out of the box, the switches feel smooth and well lubed. This is due to their solid and consistent factory lubing. From what I noticed, the switches have a mid-range sound, not too socky nor clacky. Great for those who love that creamy-ish sound. Now, as much as I really want to sing the praises all day long for the switches, there are some things I have to mention that might be a deal breaker for some of you. From what I felt, there's no pre or post travel from the tactile bump. This might come as a shock to some of you who are used to having that kind of pre and post travel, but just might be something worth noting. Now, would I recommend you getting these switches? Yeah, they're great for what they are. An affordable, sharp-ish tactile switch that is consistently pre-lubed and is consistently available no matter where I look. Even in database, if you're Filipino, you'd know what I mean. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please do the usual YouTube things. And then I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and goodbye.